what's up guys? I just got a new GoPro mount. I don't know if you could see it, but basically it attaches to my hat, so like the GoPro's at my eye level now. So yeah, we'll test it out and see how it works. Hopefully this angle won't look like I'm like 5'11", 6 feet tall in this. Car, but yeah, we're about to find out. Oh my god, it's so hot outside today. Jesus. All right. Oh wait, there's a bump here. F. Oh, dude behind me needs to chill, man. Stanced. Everyone knows Costco keeps the cost low. Yeah, nah. But Costco do be having cheap gas, so. And I'm telling you, it's not cheap to fucking own one of these. Huh? Get the stash. Ow, fuck. Premix. Oh boy, I'm on like a quarter tank, so I'll probably take like 8 gallons, but we'll see. A little more than that. All right, should be good to go. Come on, please. Hello? Oh God. Oh, thank God. Like 3/4 tank out of that? Barely. burning tires. Fucking scraping everywhere. Holy shit. So bad. Cars, man. Fuck. Okay. Whoa, what the fuck? Holy shit. Holy shit. Hey guys, I just want to say it's never my intention to like encourage you guys to like speed or whatever, but I was more upset at the fact that she wasn't even looking versus the fact that I almost got in an accident. Like clearly it would partially be my fault if we had gotten in an accident, but as you could see in this zoomed in picture, like this lady like wasn't even like looking to the right of her. And what really makes me mad is if I had been going like the speed limit and she had T-boned me, like I could have lost my life. My car would have been destroyed. It's just, I don't know, it's kind of annoying. But yeah, anyways, back to the video. Oh my god. Yo. That was close actually. Alright, that's probably gonna wrap it up for today's video, but yeah, almost got hit. Well, I mean, I guess I technically almost hit that woman, but she also didn't look, so fuck, I had to slam my brakes. But yeah, overall it was a good little grocery run.
Rider, buster, you need it, I'll bleed it. Geeking off a perkin', bitch, I'm feeling like a demon. Bitch, I came in, drifting on the pavement. Pass me the stainless, I'm mask off, faceless. Rider, buster, you need it, I'll bleed